One of the new features in Adobe Photoshop 2020 in navigation is that you can be navigating through your layers by simply holding Alt or Option key and clicking on your layer. So here, for instance, let's say we would like to identify kicking layer. We can simply press Alt or Option key and clicking in here, and boom, here we go. And we can also keep navigating through our layers, holding the same key, Alt or Option key, and clicking on that one. For instance, fighter jet. And in that case, it zooms even more because we have a smaller element or subject. That could be very helpful as well if you don't usually rename your layers. And your layers panel is full of these unnamed layers like layer 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And layer 1 copy and stuff like that. And you can't really relate to your layers. You can easily hold Alt or Option key and click on any of these layers, and maybe later try to save them for saving some time.